Debbarma. First of all, I would like to convey my heartiest gratitude to our Chief Guest Communicator, Sri Debbarma, Honorable Minister, Department of Tribal Welfare, Handloom, Handicrafts and Sericulture Statistics, Government of TIPRA, for giving his valuable time in this 11th General Meeting of 7 Pioneer. Besides, today we have with us Engineer Debbarma, Additional Chief Engineer PW Water Resource, and also founder and advisor of TIPRA Engineer Society, and Samung Debbarma, General Manager Technical TIPRA State Electric Corporation Limited, Engineer Debbarma, advisor TIPRA Engineer Society Tripura, Engineer Khudiram Tripura, Sovereign Engineer RD, Engineer Debbarma, Sovereign Engineer retired from PWD. And I would also like to give my special thanks to all the respected senior engineers, junior member of TES, and other personalities present here. This society is registered under Societies Registration Act 1860. We have registered for this in the year 2003. Since the inception of this society, since various welfare activities by Tangjakha. Last year, since during the COVID pandemic, we have distributed 10,000 beneficiaries in our state. In this program, we have also received cooperation from the ONGC CSR activities, and we have also exhibited one carbon model place, and this is also sponsored by ONGC from the Corporate Social Responsibility Fund. And besides, in the year 2022 and 23, we have taken a lot of welfare activities. I am going to discuss, elaborate in shortly. So, we have taken educational sponsorship for the financial year 2022 and 23, which was held at 10 July 2022 at Agartala Press Club. So, across the state, various districts, 10 meritorious students sponsor Khaika. Our Dolai district ni tongo Khorokpa, and South district ni tongo Khorokni, North district ni Khoroksa, and West district ni Khorokni tongo. So, Borno separate and supervisor tongo, Borno monitor tongo. Besides, since our employee engineers, our members, they are working in various departments in our state, scattered in all corners of our state. They are serving now in under PWD, TIPRA State Electric Corporation Limited, Agriculture, RD, TTADC, lot of across the state. We have so many representatives working in various corners, and we have some issues in reservation in service matter. That's why we have made a deputation with our respected Chief Secretary, Government of Tripura, and our Chief Engineer on 30 of November 2022. And besides, since Abu Badebo say since Tripura situation on I, even welfare activities now say anti-drug awareness campaign. We have conducted in two places. One is at Belbari, Champaknagar, and another is one of the most remotest place in the Dolai district. It is Govindobari, Samung block. Since Abu Badebo, Honorable Ministers plus Honorable MLA 19 March 2022, since felicitation program Agartala Press Club, where our respected Travel Minister himself present with our other ministers, and Abu Badebo Honorable MLA Shok Tiprani, by Agarozom felicitation of Manjaka. Since educational responsibility, there is a high in the year 2023-24. There is a dozen student, meritorious students select Kai, since there is a Bwkhaktwi sponsor Kai. Abu Badebo, one of the members in medical treatment purposes, and 5 lakh donate Kai, Engineer Debbarma medical treatment purpose. However, Mothani logi great galai bukha nangmaniko. Besides, we also celebrate Indigenous Day of all indigenous people, though it is another platform, but we are very relation with them, Joint Action Committee of Civil Society, and where we have also received 40,000 funds from our Tribal Research and Cultural Institute, Tribal Welfare Department, where we have also organized one seminar, Indigenous Youth as Agent of Change for Self-Determination. Various panel speakers from our state they have attended in our program. Professor Debbarma, Dr. Debbarma, Shakti Jamatia, Advocate Mongol Debbarma, etc. Besides, on 2nd of November 2023, we have also submitted one representation to our Honorable Chief Minister, where we have raised so many issues regarding maintaining reservation in high responsibility in the name of FDC, where reservation is not followed by our department. And we have also raised implementation of better transfer policy for maintaining transparency in service. Okay, abo bade bochunmujago sine state only PWO there are at present in various categories 695 vacancies there, out of which ST is 204, SC 120, for UR 371 is still posts lying vacant under PWD. Though our state government they have already taken initiative for recruitment of 376 number of vacancies, but still there is a shortage in our PWD. So I ask our government to take the initiative for recruitment of more numbers junior engineer. So, Antini or platform of that is a channel. So, being a research in social welfare activities, bade, seeing service issues in related to Simosa in Honorable Sarno, Seni Minister, Simosa 15 numbers start of demand, Sintini place Kanamozo, and Abon filling up of all guided recruitment vacant posts of junior engineer, public manager under PWD, agriculture, RD, TSCL, including TTADC. So special recruitment drive. There is a roster. Follow Kajiga. It should be followed strictly in any kind of temporary appointment, like even FDC or CTC or fixed pay or part-time. Okay. Third point of full duty charge, entrustment of high responsibility in the name of full duty charge or current duty charge. Roster should be maintained. Ozarachini TIPRA have a guideline today. That's why those indigenous estates are deprived in getting their high responsibility either in the post of executive engineer, either for degree category or diploma, or in the post of sovereign engineer. Basically, this deprivation is seen under PWD, state PWD. Transfer policy to be framed for state government for maintaining better transparency in service. We are facing a lot of deprivation in transfer policy. The separate recruitment roles in TTADC and ST eligible engineers must be nominated for IAS posts as per rules. Since again the government several times we have raised this demand that our eligible engineers should be given nomination in the post of IAS post, but it is not given to our engineers. The chief engineer post mechanical, chief engineer post electrical, this is TIPRA engineer service grade 1 should be created under PWD. High chief architect post should be created under PWD, forming one the wing of PWD architects. The state reservation policy should also be followed in private sector organizations, and we are also demanding expansion of engineering posts under TSCL, Agriculture Department, and also in PWTTADC. Newly recruitment engineer must be trained on administration and service-related issues immediately after appointment. And in services, engineers must also be encouraged for higher studies. And new job opportunities must be created for educated unemployed youth. State reservation policy must be followed in the post of principal of various polytechnic institutes of our state. Selection procedure based on gate score for the post of manager, electrical, mechanical, grade A under TSL should be paid. Guy, Abotini chart road demand, since the Honorable Minister and Person Singapore place can mutual. And Guy, Chen Paitago, and Abon Sanai, Tino, Hanai, Tino, Programming, chief guest, Sino Jorima Bagay, Balai Paituli Hambai, and Guy, Tino, Programo, Tini members, Sintini, first time today we are executing our blood donation camp. So, any members know, thanks members know, only kind cooperation by time to time, even the welfare activities. But the blood donation camps in the organized kind success in the Tango. Okay, popular handby. However, you are ready to dispose our duties for the interest of the public and for the development of our state. We are ready to serve either in any across the state. So transforming problem to who so ready so jekon jaga sini hastan development khaya bagai so jaga ready to kai sampai antini jora community ta amo ko masai na antini no ko matam tera ya korchnai long way test ambai jotron hamle